Kalikal Sarvagna Hemchandracharya is well reputed in cultural history of Gujarat. On full moon day of the month of Kartik in Vikram Samvat 1145, he was born in Dhanduka in Ahmedabad district. His name was Changadeva. At the age of 8, he was consecrated by Devachandra Suriji Maharaj at Khambhat. He was known by name Somachandra. At the age of 21, he acquired the position of Suri. That is, he was designated as Suri and was known by name Hemchandra Suri. He studied different faculties of learning and expertised all the lords available in his time. He bestowed various faculties of learning with his own compositions, that is works. Because of his vast knowledge, he was entitled as Kalikal Sarvagna. Having conquered King Bhoja of Malwa, Siddharaja Jaisimha, with abundant wealth and prosperous storage of books, that is library, returned to Anhilpur Patan. A group of learners went there to welcome him under the leadership of Hemchandra Suri. It is said, Kirtihi Yashyashah Jivati. He who has acquired fame remains alive, though dead. Such imperishable fame is obtained not by wealth, that is Lakshmi, but by learning, that is Saraswati. Siddharth Jaisimha, who had realized this fact, requested Hemchandracharya to compose literary work related to different subjects. He earnestly requested him to write a wonderful volume of Sanskrit grammar. This volume is known as Shuddhahem Shabdanushashan. The lesson presented here is prepared keeping in mind this event of cultural history of Gujarat. The fact that one wishing to preserve his fame should worship literature is focused here. Vikramasya Dvadashyam Shatabdam Siddharaja Jaisimham Malav Vijayam Krutvan Vijayantaram Jaisimhan Rupatehe Yashovarmanah Sharvadhanam Gruhitva Anhilpuram Pratyagatvan Dhanena Shah Tatratya ग्रंथागारोऽपि तस्य हस्तगतो जातः अस्मिन् ग्रंथागारे बहवः अनुपमाः ग्रंथाः आसन् तेषु भोजेन विरचितं सरस्वती कंठाभरण नाम्ना प्रसिद्धं भोजव्याकरणमपि एकततम् आसीत्. Siddharth Jaisi conquered, that is, made the conquest of Malav in the 12th century of the era started by Vikramaditya. After the conquest, Jaisi returned to Anhilpuram, taking all the wealth of the king
Yeshovarma
with him. With the wealth, even the library that was there had fallen into his possession, that is hand. In this library, there were many incomparable treatises. Among them, one was also Bhoj Vyakran, famous by the name Saraswati Kantabharanam, composed by King Bhoj. एकदा सिद्धराजः विचारपथम् आरूढः सः अचिन्त्यत मालविजयन् अहं धनस्य स्वामित्वं प्राप्तवान् तस्य ग्रन्थागारः अपि मया प्राप्तः परन्तु भोजव्याकरणे भोजस्य यादृशी कीर्ति वर्तते तादृशी कीर्ति मया न प्राप्ता. अतः एतादृशं किमपि करणीयं येन मदीया कीर्तिरपि तादृशी भवेत् यादृशी भोजस्यास्ति. Once Siddharth started thinking. He thought, I secured the ownership of the wealth by conquering Malav. I also got their library. But the kind of fame Bhoj that got by his treatise, Bhoj Vyakranam, has not been won by me. So I should do something like it by which my fame will also be like that of Bhoj. एवं विचार्य सः जैनमुनिमाचार्य हेमचंद्र प्राप्तवान् निवेदितवान् च अयि आचार्यवर्याः भवन्तो भोजव्याकरण सदृशम् एकं व्याकरणं विरचयन्तु येन भवता मम च अमराभिर्ति भवेत् इति. Thus thinking, he came to the Jain saga, Acharya Hemchandra, and said, O respectable, most excellent preceptor, may your honor compose one, that is work of grammar like Bhoj Vyakranam, by which the fame of yours as well as mine will be immortal. सिद्धराजस्य जैसिहस्य
निवेदनेन प्रेरितः
हेमचंद्राचार्यः एकं पूर्व व्याकरण ग्रन्थं रचितवन्तः। सः सिद्धहं व्याकरणम् इति नाम्ना प्रसिद्धः अस्ति। अस्मिन् 8 अध्यायाः सन्ति। तेषु प्रारम्भिकेषु 6 अध्यायेषु संस्कृतभाषायाः
अन्तिमयोः द्वयोः
अध्यापयोः प्राकृतभाषाणाच्च व्याकरणं पयस्ति। Prompted by the request of Siddharth Jaisi, Hemchandracharya composed a unique work of grammar. The treatise is famous by the name Siddhahem Vyakaranam. In this, there are 8 chapters. Among them, in the first 6 chapters, there is a grammar of Sanskrit language, and in the last 2 chapters, there is a grammar of Prakrit languages also.
हेमचंद्राचार्य
लक्ष्य श्लोक परिमितं साहित्यं विरचितमस्ति। अस्मिन्
साहित्ये
अभिधान चिन्तामणिः नामकः कोशग्रन्थः चालुक्य वंशोत्कीर्तनं नामकं संस्कृत प्राकृत भाषा निबन्धं
व्याश्रयं महाकाव्यं
काव्यानुशासनं नामकः अलङ्कार शास्त्रीयः ग्रन्थः छन्दोनुशासन चेत्यादीनां बहूनां ग्रन्थानां समावेशो भवति। Literature consisting of 1,00,000 shloks has been composed by Acharya Hemchandra. In this literature, a dictionary named Abhidhan Chintamani, an epic poem composed in Sanskrit, and Prakrit having twofold aspects, that is, grammatical examples on one hand and developing the plot of story on the other hand, called Chalukya Vanshotkirtanam, a book on poetics named Kavyanusasanam and Chandonusasanam, are included. गुर्जर प्रदेशे
लब्धजनिरयम्
हेमचन्द्राचार्यः न केवलं गुर्जर प्रान्ते अपि तु समग्रेऽपि संस्कृत साहित्यकाशे सूर्यवर्त प्रकाशते। This Hemchandracharya, born in the region of Gujarat, continues to shine very brightly like the sun, not only in Gujarat but also in the sky of the whole Sanskrit literature.